We'll guide you through how to save a file as a PDF in iLovePDF. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many documents are created in Word format, but need to be submitted or shared as PDF files. Some people do not know how to convert files correctly. Using iLovePDF is simple, but users still look for clear step-by-step instructions to avoid mistakes and ensure successful conversion. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After the browser opens, click the search bar at the top of the window. Type iLovePDF into the search bar carefully. Press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. Look for the official iLovePDF website in the search results that appear on the screen. Click the iLovePDF website to open its homepage. Once the website loads completely, scroll down the page to find the available tools provided by the site. Look for the Word to PDF tool among the list of tools displayed. When you find the Word to PDF tool, click it to open the conversion page. On the next page, click Select Word Files to begin uploading your document. Choose the document you want to save as a PDF from your computer's storage. After selecting the correct file, click Open to upload it to the website. Wait for the file to finish uploading and appear on the screen. You can add more files by clicking the plus icon on the page if you want to convert additional documents. Select any extra Word files from your computer and click Open to upload them. After selecting all the files you want to convert, click Convert to PDF to start the conversion process. The website will process your files and change them into PDF format. Wait until the conversion is complete and the download option appears. Click Download PDF and the file will automatically download to your computer. Allow the download to finish before continuing. Click the download icon in the top right corner of Chrome to open the list of downloaded files. Find the converted PDF file in the list. Click the file once to open it on your computer. The PDF document you saved will appear on your screen, showing the converted version of your original Word file and confirming that the process has been completed successfully.